So, good evening, Ayan. How are you today?
I'm doing well, Rajan. What about you?
Yeah, I'm doing great. Thank you for asking me.
Mm,
So, today,
okay,
Ayan, we are going to discuss on a topic. The topic is if you had a robot for the entire day, what do you would you do? What would you ask to do it? This
okay.
is the
So
topic.
actually,
So, can you share your
yeah,
opinion or your thought? What would you ask to do it?
yes. You asked me before. I tell you, you asked me like how you prepare for this topic, but I want to let you know, I don't prepare for it. I just think about in my native language,
Okay.
like how what can I do in my imaginary world, and I thought about what can I do, and I thinking about having a robot and what's the advantages and disadvantages. But I'm only share advantages. Okay, so.
Mm-hmm.
If I had a robot in the
Do
entire
not
day, what?
share
Yes,
advantage or disadvantage. Just you need to share what you're going to ask the robot to do. Okay.
yeah,
What
yeah.
task
I also
you
it's
want to
an
do.
advantage. What task I give the
Okay.
robot, what command I give the robot, and what the robot do for me. Okay,
Okay.
so
Go on.
let's start. So, like, I use this robot many purpose. Uh, when I wake up, so I want to like. ask the robot, and he also make alarm for me, like every day schedule wise. And if I not woke up, the robot push me to wake up. So after that, I start a healthy routine. So first brush, then all kind of things. And when I go any jogging or any kind of workout exercise or yoga, I need this robot to help me to get a correct posture or to maintain a good uh, if you can take the like gym. When I go to gym, I want to do bench press. As he can, or he or she, the robot, they support me to do
Okay.
this, perform this exercise. And with you can say abs workout, he can hold my knees and I can perform abs workout. So yes, I start with this. And if the robot multitasking, I ask for like he can do for me my breakfast and dinner as lunch as well. So he made for me some meal. So after that, I want to study with the robot. Like if I go for study, so I want to practice with robot, and I want the robot teach me about my subject, and he Google it
Mhm.
by himself, and he can teach me. After that, he ask me a question, and I also do a mode like if I break my rules, okay, so he can punish me as well. So yeah. And there is lot of thing, and I ask many question, and he can solve my any he can answer my all question, all thoughts, what I am asking for him. And I that's it. But yeah, there is many work to do, but I used to advantage for my advantage this robot. And yeah, that's it.
Okay. Great.
Yeah.
Uh, if I talk about me, so I would like to ask him do like scripting. I would ask him to
Scripting.
do okay, do scripting for my videos for 1 year.
Okay.
Okay, because I have the robot
So
for
you
one
can
day.
also
For
use ChatGPT as well. You don't need a robot.
no, I want to do it automatically. Okay, I know about the
Okay.
ChatGPT. I can use it, but I ask him to do like s- I will share my thought and I will provide some data to know my mindset. And according to that mindset, I will ask him to generate or write a script for all the videos which is I am going to upload within 1 year. So I will ask him to do this thing first. Okay. So I think
Okay.
it will take about 6 months or 12 hours. Okay. but I have a robot for the 24 hour. Okay, for entire day. Okay, like 24 hours. Let's say I have a robot for 24 hours. So I would like to ask him to do uh, things like we will converse on a topic because a robot, if robot is intelligence like artificial intelligence he has, so I will ask
Hmm.
some question. I will do brainstorming. Okay, I will ask question and
Okay.
I will acquire some knowledge from the robot. Okay, I will analyze the
Okay.
data because he has a lot of, like, if he has the knowledge like ChatGPT, if he has all the data, so I will ask some questions. Okay, it could be anything. It could be my YouTube channel or my personal things or anything I would like to ask. And I would do brainstorming. Okay, I would like
Okay.
to know what how he thinks and how he works. Okay, this type of thing I would ask him to do, and I can also ask him to do like household chores. Okay, I will ask him to do it. So these are the
What you
tasks
asked
that
for
I
him?
am
Sorry,
household
last
chores.
line.
Household chores like
What does mean in Hindi?
uh, like a task which is performed in our house, like washing dishes or clothing. Okay,
Okay.
this
Okay.
type of thing. Yeah. So this type of thing I am going to ask him to do. So
Okay.
this was all I would like to ask him to
Hmm.
do for me
Okay.
if I
That's
had the robot for
nice.
the entire day. So because
Yeah.
he is for one day, so I would like to use him uh, like I would like to use maximum for maximum use. I would take advantage of his maximum potential. So I would like
Okay.
to write a script for 1 year. Okay, so it
Hmm.
can save my time as well as uh, he can know my mindset. So if he is
Yeah.
no,
They
so
they
it will be
store
easier for
all
me.
kind thoughts
Yeah.
about you.
So it will be easier if I be regular on the script. If I upload videos on that particular script, then I will be familiar with English, and uh, I may speak very well or with confidence. So these are the things that I would like to ask him to do for me. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, so that was all from my side. So I think we are done for today. Next time
Yeah.
we will discuss other topic as well. And I have learned about uh, uh, conditional sentences. Okay, zero conditional, first conditional, second conditional. Okay, in English. So I am going to rewatch that video. I am going to understand it very well, and then I will practice it, and then I will record a video, and I will upload that video on YouTube. Let's see what happens. Okay, so this was the
Yeah.
things, and we will discuss. We will take a question on that particular topic, conditional sentences, and we will answer that
Okay.
topic. We will put forward our opinion using that concept, so that we could practice the things we have learned.
Okay.
You know,
As your wish, you
this.
can do, and your target to do many type of contents and improve yourself. And as well, I am improving with you, and it's my pleasure to I am learning with you. So thank you, and I think we should learn much better than better day by day.
Yes,
I
yes.
will,
If
I
we are
wish.
regular, then we
Mm,
can learn. Regularity,
absolutely. But
consistency matters a lot.
yeah, but one thing, we know we are very. I think I am very basic. Okay, so you can teach me the grammar rules, and with your audience, we can do video and like you study about this topic, a specific topic or any chapter, and I also do study, and we share our opinion, and we both teach each other. Okay.
Okay, okay. We will share our exchange our knowledge or our concept to each other. We will clarify it,
Okay.
and when we use it,
Hmm.
we will be practical. It will build our confidence. Okay, so
Yeah.
we will exchange our knowledge, our concept. Okay, and we will
Okay.
make it strong. So this is how we are going to do it.
Definitely.
So so I would like to thank all of the audience who is listening to me, who is watching this video. Okay, if you are
Hmm.
interesting this type of content, then you can subscribe this channel. I want to I want to thank you. I want to say thank you, you all. Thank you so much for watching this video. Keep learning and keep getting better. I will get back to you soon with a new video. Thank you, Jan. I will get back to you soon. Thank you so much. We will meet you
Thank you.
tomorrow.